Welcome to Dream Car, where we explore the finest automobiles on the market. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GT, a car that embodies luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. This latest iteration of the AMG GT has been refined to offer an even more exhilarating driving experience while maintaining its signature elegance. The exterior of the 2025 AMG GT is a masterpiece of design and aerodynamics. The long hood, muscular stance, and sleek lines give it a commanding presence on the road. Mercedes has enhanced the aerodynamics with larger air intakes, a sculpted rear end, and an integrated spoiler that improves stability at high speeds. The AMG-specific grille, featuring vertical slats, reinforces its aggressive character, while the LED headlights provide a sharp, futuristic look. The lightweight alloy wheels are designed for both style and performance, complementing the car's dynamic capabilities. Inside, the AMG GT offers a luxurious and driver-focused cabin. Premium materials such as Nappa leather, carbon fiber accents, and aluminum trim create an upscale atmosphere. The seats are ergonomically designed to provide maximum comfort and support, whether cruising on the highway or pushing the car to its limits. The digital cockpit is equipped with the latest MBUX infotainment system, featuring a high-resolution touchscreen with intuitive controls. Voice commands allow drivers to access navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings effortlessly. Ambient lighting adds a touch of sophistication, with customizable colors to match the driver's mood. The steering wheel is equipped with touch-sensitive controls, ensuring seamless interaction with the car's advanced features. The optional 2+2 seating configuration makes the AMG GT more practical, offering additional space for passengers or storage. Performance is where the AMG GT truly shines. The lineup includes multiple powertrain options, catering to different driving preferences. The entry-level GT43 is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, producing 416 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. This model is rear-wheel drive, providing a pure and engaging driving experience. The GT55 steps up the game with a hand-built 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, delivering 469 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking ultimate performance, the GT63 boasts an upgraded version of the same V8, generating 577 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. Acceleration is blistering, with the GT63 capable of reaching 0 to 60 mph in just 3.1 seconds. The AMG GT features a 9-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and precise gear shifts. The advanced suspension system enhances handling, providing a perfect balance between comfort and agility. The steering is responsive, offering excellent feedback to the driver. Mercedes has fine-tuned the exhaust system to deliver a thrilling sound, adding to the overall driving experience. Pricing for the 2025 AMG GT varies depending on the model and optional features. The base GT43 starts at approximately $179,050, making it a more accessible entry into the AMG GT lineup. The GT55 and GT63 come at a premium, reflecting their enhanced performance and luxury features. Additional customization options, such as upgraded interior materials, advanced driver assistance systems, and performance packages, can further increase the price. Mercedes offers a range of personalization choices, allowing buyers to tailor the AMG GT to their preferences. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG GT is a remarkable blend of performance, luxury, and innovation. Whether you're drawn to its stunning design, cutting-edge technology, or exhilarating driving dynamics, this car delivers an experience that is truly unforgettable. Stay tuned to Dream Car for more in-depth analyses of the latest automotive marvels. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 AMG GT and which features stand out to you the most. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.